Hello and welcome to Luscombe Motors walk around video Renault Clio that we have. This is a Dynamique Nav model. It's a 67 plate and a 17. As you can see there, you've got the diamond cut alloy wheels. Really stylish little super mini, these ones. But same with all super minis, they're getting a little bit larger now. If you notice down the side there, you've got the door handle on the front, and they've blended the rear door handle to make it look like a coupe here, which is just up there, which I think is a really nice touch on the Clio. Believe it or not, these are one of Renault's best-selling vehicles that they've had over the years. You've got the rear parking sensors on this one, and obviously with the model denoting it is a nav model, so you've got the satellite navigation up front as well. Beautiful metallic colour. Like I say, they're getting a little bit larger than normal nowadays, these super minis. You've got the daytime LED running lights at the front there, and obviously the fog lights on the lower part of the bumper. And what I'll do now, I'll just take you inside the vehicle and let you have a look inside. So quite a bit of French flair, as they say. You've got the half leather seats, style seats there. A bit like a bucket seat, I do hug you around the corners. It is a 1 litre, the fuel efficient one, this one. You've got all the electric window switches there, and also electric mirrors also. It is push button start and keyless entry, so you don't even have to get your key out of your pocket with this one. This one's covered 12,364 miles. You've got climate control down there. You've got your cruise control just there, this button there, which is a bit of a must nowadays with all the speed cameras and so on. Just press that and it'll set the desired speed that you set it at. And then also you've got your push button start down there, which brings all your navigation unit up there also. So it's all touch screen after that. And as you can see, brings your navigation unit up. Once you've paired your phone with that as well, it does all your voice calls and through there, and also you've got all the digital audio broadcasts on that, so DAB radio also. Really good little super mini, these make an ideal first car or even a second family car. As with all Luscombe's cars, you'll notice that they've got these bags around the vehicle. It's just so you know it's been sanitised, that's all. So if you do come down after lockdown and want to have a look inside the vehicles, at least you know they've been sanitised and there's no unwanted bugs or germs in the vehicle. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive or reviewing, by all means just give us a shout. Thank you very much.